Hello guys, today we're going to start a new series of test drive videos in 360 format. Actually, I put you guys on the passenger seat. You guys feel free, check around, because on your devices you will be able to check the back seats and the front seats and all these infotainment systems, and also even the view from the windows. I won't talk too much in this 360 video, as I want you guys to get more immersive experiences. I will put the specification on the description section, and also if you have any advice to improve these 360 drive video experiences, you could leave your comment below. And of course, today we have this Huawei AITO M5, and we're going to test drive this car in 360 format. So let's get started and buckle up. So first thing I'm going to try, I'm going to put the driver mode to the comfort mode. So later I'm going to switch to the sport mode to see the performance. Alright, here we go. This AITO M5 is equipped extended range technologies. So there is 1.5 turbo engine in the hood. So this engine is only for generating the electricities and save to the battery. So ultimately, it is electric driven SUV. So it's very good. It's very good at accelerating. So and it's also quiet. It's pretty quiet. So when you drive around, so you won't feel like too much noise from the engine. So there is the two mode you can choose. So we have so you can choose to drive on the purely electric mode, and also you can choose to drive on the hybrid mode. Yeah, so you won't feel too much like vibration from the road. The suspension is absorbing small the bumps, small bumps, so you won't feel too much. So the AITO M5 is equipped the Harmony OS. So this OS is pretty fast, pretty responsive. So it got inbuilt Huawei map, and it's also very smooth. The very good thing is it's even and the standard mode, the accelerator is picks up is also quick. So the mid-range pull from like 60 to 80 is also very good, very responsive. You just give it a little bit, and the accelerator it picks up is also quick. So, all right, we're gonna try the sport mode here. So obviously the accelerator is picks up even quicker. See, I just like from now it's 50 kilometers an hour, so I just give a little bit, and it's definitely push you back to the seats, and you just feel very comfortable, and you just feel very confident to overtake the cab whenever you want, or wherever you want. The suspension is less stiffer than what I expected. If we compare with the standard mode, you do feel a little bit more bumps, but there's not too much difference with standard mode. Yeah. So this version is all wheel drive version, and it comes with 4.6 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. So the fastest one is about 4.4 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. And the brake feels alright. It's really natural. The thing I really like is this center screen here. It's extremely responsive. Yeah, just do anything. You open any apps. That's extremely fast. I better switch back to the comfort mode. As under sport mode, it's easily you go over the speed limits here. And also there is the eco mode. So eco mode is like the accelerator is less responsive. Yeah, so under the eco mode, actually, if you slow down, so it's automatically regenerates the energies. So and then push back to the battery. So as the result, you could drive like a longer under the eco mode. Yeah, and also you have the ambient lights here, so you can change the different colors here. Yeah. Yeah, so you will go to the dark mode and light mode you can choose, and also you can see it's auto. Yeah, and the good thing is you will also got a head-up display over there, and it's also it's pretty clear. Yeah, so this guy you will go to the Huawei sound system. So there was I think it's 19 speakers all around the car. So even you got for the high-end model, so you even got the speakers here. Yeah, the 360, the 3D, the cam model looks alright. So you've got a transparent chassis jam here. Yeah, so when you make left turn, actually it's showing the indicator on the screen as well. And then also you can switch to 2D and the rear view, and also the left and right at the same time in the front view. Yeah, as we can see, the angle is quite wide. Yeah. And also the voice control is it really picks up the command as well. 小易小易，
你好，
导航到万象汇。
找到多个目的地，
第一个，
我说第几个或下一页。找到多条路线，
开始，
选择第几条呢？
第一条开始。
没问题，已为你规划前往万象汇的路线。
调节温度到23度。
好嘞，调到23度啦。
So the system can like continuously take the several orders at the same time.
已重新规划路线，新路线途经时代南道，450米后向左前方行驶。
Alright guys, thanks for joining us today, and I hope you guys like this 360 test drive format. And if you have any thoughts, please leave your comment below. So thanks for watching today.